The Anglo Group is a leading UK-based recruitment agency across various engineering sectors, and here with me is senior consultant Graham Simmons. Hello to you.
Good morning.
Now, tell me exactly what it is that the company does.
Well, we've been established over 30 years and cover a variety of sectors across the engineering side of things. We do building services, the construction industry, oil and gas, water engineering, IT. So we've been placing permanent contract, temporary staff, both nationally and internationally across that time.
So what are the particular services that you would offer to CIBSE members?
Well, we've got a long-established relationship with many clients within the industry, and particularly on the building services side within CIBSE and public health engineers members. So we've got a good understanding of industry knowledge and all requirements we'd be able to cover in terms of the requirements that clients give us.
Now, what are the particular levels that you would recruit to, and are there any particular niches in the sector that you...
Yeah, I mean, in terms of levels, we operate right from the graduate engineer level right the way up to MD, CEO level. So, I mean, we cover the full board. In terms of niche, you're looking at all sectors within it, really. So any sort of mechanical, electrical, public health. We deal with the BMS side, maintenance engineering. I mean, it's the real full spectrum within construction engineering.
And are you finding that there's any particular sector that's looking for more personnel at the moment?
Me personally, I'm finding there's a strong demand on the design side, which is very encouraging, given the last few years haven't been as positive as it could have been. But often the consultancy side tends to pick up first, and at the moment I'm seeing a big demand for design engineers, particularly sort of at the junior and intermediate level, which is very encouraging, because it means that there are many clients out there looking to bring engineers on to develop them up to more of a senior level with a long-term look at the industry.
So what is the skill set that you're being asked to provide as opposed to, say, 5 or 10 years ago?
Well, I think particularly in the modern era, we've been asked for a lot more people with low carbon and sustainability knowledge. That's much more of an important part of the construction of buildings these days. So there's a definite element of that with especially the younger engineers being involved on that side of things. You're also looking at people who are much more computer literate. 5 or 10 years ago, a lot more of it was sort of hands-on design with a drawing board. Nowadays, with the relevant design packages, you're looking at everything being computerised and people being asked to provide the full package when they come and join the firm.
Well, Graham Simmons, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, joining me now is Frank St Clair, who is Operations Director for Anglo Technical Recruitment. Hello to you.
Hello, sir.
Now, how do you help CIBSE members to find the right candidates for their jobs?
It's a combination of experience and knowledge of the marketplace. Anglo has been working within the building services industry for nearly 30 years and as a patron for 20 years. So this gives us an in-depth understanding of what CIBSE members require. We have tried and tested systems and procedures in place, and we are continually adapting to the changes in technology. And by utilising a combination of our extensive database, social media platforms and personal referrals, we can find the right candidates for our clients' needs.
Now, you'd think that you'd be swamped with candidates with the downturn, but actually you find you do have trouble filling the positions.
In today's marketplace, there is a severe shortage of suitably qualified and experienced engineers, resulting in an increase in competition to attract the most skilled and relevant candidates. We have seen a marked increase in the number of inquiries and applications from overseas looking to come here and live and work in the UK, and this can go some way to offset the skill shortage. However, much more needs to be done to attract and increase the number of students in the UK to want to become engineers and then pursue a career within the building services industry. It is these young graduates of the future who will become the leaders of the Chartered Institute of Building Services Engineers.
And what do you think could be done to attract more people into engineering?
There is a lot being done already. I think it's through Engineering UK and various associated companies that are going in now to a number of secondary schools around the country trying to hold exhibitions within the sciences and engineering to give them a taste of what it is like perhaps to become an engineer. And if that continues and at a school level, I believe that more children will consider a career in engineering, and that is absolutely essential.
Well, Frank St Clair, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Well, I'm joined now by the Business Development Manager for the company, Kate Markova. Hello to you.
Hello.
Now, innovation is very important for CIBSE members, and what can you offer them in terms of the way that you work, innovation in recruitment for the sector?
We know that innovation is very important, and actually it's the key for our company as well, because we know that a lot of our clients face different challenges, new technologies coming and economical climate and so on, and we're trying to find the ways how we can help our clients to perform better. So we're developing a few different services, so we hope it will help a lot to our clients.
How can there be innovation in recruitment? Recruitment is recruitment, isn't it?
Actually, there are a lot of different ways. If you have creative approach and so on, you can combine different methods and put them together. So we're trying to create some engineering talent portal where we actually put together a few different services, starting with traditional recruitment and job board and industry journal, and also payroll services. So using our online portal, clients will be able to service absolutely different tasks actually, starting from entry-level positions and finishing high-level, top-level actual positions.
Now, how do you see your company developing over the next few years?
We think we will enhance our presence on the market, web market and traditional recruitment market, and we developing product that actually will help to improve communication between clients and candidates. And also we're trying to bring students and graduates to the actual picture and help companies to communicate with young generation of engineers.
Well, Kate Markova, thank you very much.
Thank you.